Hi guys, welcome to Traders Corner. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Nifty levels for 2nd September 21. Before doing so, let's mark up with the levels for the day, like high and low of the day. As well as for the week. Okay, so let's see what has happened today. Following the range breakout of Nifty from previous high, Nifty kept moving and we are on the strongest bullish run of the century. And if you see, market kept moving high with making higher high and higher lows. So they didn't give any clue of they're gonna move down to down levels. So finally market has ended here. Okay, so there is no signs of bearishness or any profit booking. And here in TradingView, I don't have open interest to show there is no short covering or short build up on bearish side, and they were showing only the signs of long build up. So this moment or every move of this thing is like very bullish, and either FIIs or DIIs or pro, they keep accumulating the levels, and there was no short build up at all in futures. So it was a clear sign the market is aiming higher. So following this thing, before start of this day, I just marked the levels. I was not confident enough that market will move this higher because I have never seen such a rally, like one way rally like this. So I prepared for some reversal, and I was looking for the levels. If they are breaking the lower supports, I was expecting reversals. So based on that, my supports were, these were the minor levels, these were the supports. So when the market opened, and I didn't expect, like I was like expecting it might gap up and it might reverse from this levels. But what has happened is market kept moving higher. It broke yesterday's it just came into the zone instead of breaking down. It just pumped in. They have pumped out, and again like they kept moving up. And I didn't take any trading Nifty, but I have positions in Bank Nifty. I made decent profit. But after reaching this point, the first sign of reversal came with this candle. It's a kind of shooting star or a doji, and followed by a huge sell-off. So based on this, I decided the ceiling for the day it would be this one. So this was a strong supply zone. So I was waiting for the levels, and since I was busy in Bank Nifty, I didn't go much into Nifty levels. And with this thing again, market kept falling down, and they are making strong higher supply zones. So this was my view and my setup for the day. And so what has happened is it made the stronger supply zones, and market came down. It breached this level, As soon as it breached the range which they have broken in the morning, I had a view of bearishness. It is the first sign of sell-off happening in Nifty. So after it came down, and this was the strong buy zone which was generated yesterday evening by 3 o'clock. So I expected some buy would happen and Nifty would go up from this level. So from here it took buy and it went to the same level which it broke. Meanwhile, I didn't expect like this level would broke, but the one above this one, I was expecting this would be a strong level for Nifty to break, and I expected a reversal here, and it exactly happened here. And again, they tried to pump it up again, but because of the strong supply zone which is created over here, Nifty failed to go up and again it dropped down. And same as I have explained in Bank Nifty, Nifty also made a clear lower low, breaking this level, breaking this previous low. So based on this, I have made my positions for tomorrow. So since it is an expiry tomorrow, we might they have given a huge moves actually, so it might be quite range bound market for tomorrow. So even if we see Dow Jones, like they're also falling currently. Okay, they have recovered a bit. So they made a huge fall over here. So we can expect some kind of bearishness tomorrow. And since it is expiry, Bank Nifty has given a clear bearish view, but whereas here, this zone is a strong bearish, bullish or bullish zone. Sorry. So it's quite tricky for Nifty compared to Bank Nifty. This level is a little bit hard to break since they made a huge rally from here, but it has been tested twice already. Even if they breach this level, once again they have a huge consolidation which happened yesterday, and so will have a tricky one. If market tries to bounce back, it will go to this level, and again there's another level created here. So it's little bit too much sell has happened in the upper levels. So if market try to go up, there will be a little bit of consolidation like this. It may try to go up and again will come to this level. Nifty will try to come to this level again, and same as in case of Nifty, it will, if we have a gap down, for sure we might go down to this level, and Nifty might bounce back and it may come to this level. So since there is a huge accumulation happened here, and I hope tomorrow will be a tricky expiry. I hope tomorrow will be day for again option sellers. But since 2 days, I think option writers might have faced very much difficulty with too much volatility. So Bank Nifty was easy to analyze, but whereas in case of Nifty, it is quite tricky because of so many zones created in between. So these are my levels for tomorrow. So let's see what happens, how the moves are tomorrow. I'll just mark the levels over here. fine. Thanks for watching, and I couldn't much clear view in Nifty compared to Bank Nifty. So let's see how the expiry gonna be tomorrow. Anyway, in this very much volatile market, try to save your capital. If you have made a decent profit, try to stay away in the market after 11:30. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned.